We're at Lesmurdie Falls in Perth, Western Australia. And I love starting from the bottom of the falls here because at the start you've got some small inclines and they really get your body working and warm. But the best part I love about it is because you're focusing on just breathing and getting yourself uphill, it really switches your mind off almost instantly. And this is really great, especially if you've had quite a busy time of recent and you want to unwind and just be in the moment. It was a really windy day on the trail, and I know I could take out those wind sounds, but hey, we're in nature, so we're going to embrace it. As we're walking towards the top of the waterfall, you can really hear the water flowing, which is amazing this time of the year, being summer. I've counted 150 steps going up, and I absolutely love one little part of this trail because it reminds me of a jungle, just that lush green surrounding you as you're passing through. It just lights up my soul. We're heading up towards the top of the waterfall where there are two lookouts, and one is directly located above the waterfall. So as you're on the lookout, you can see the water flowing underneath your feet. I get really excited when I'm about to head back down the side of the waterfall, as you get to see a whole different perspective on the way back down. Once you've accomplished the top of the falls, you can then head back down to the start of the trail and explore the bottom. This is my favourite part of the trail, and I love it because it is so lush and you can hear the water flowing down the creek as you're walking along. Our waterfall in Western Australia may not be the biggest one you've ever seen, but what it is serenity, and it invites you to just be. And that's what I love about this place, and especially this little pocket on the trail in Lesmurdie. Until next time, happy hiking.